In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant graphics driver crashed error. Now the way that we can do this is first we want to update our GPU. So come down here for device manager. In here, open up display adapters, right click and update driver. Now just click update driver and it will update itself. It's really simple. After that, come down here and search for run percentage local app data percentage. Press OK. In here you want to find your Valorant folder, right here, saved, config, and in here you want to find crash report client and delete this folder. Now if it says you cannot delete it, it's because you have write client or anything open, so just exit out of these. Delete this one, come back, open up web cache, and in here you want to delete everything in here as well. And once you've done that, what you can do is you can come back here, right click on your desktop, NVIDIA control panel, if you have this, and open it up. Now it should look something like this. And in here you want to go to configure surround, click here and choose your GPU. Now after that, just exit out, restart your PC and see if it works now. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.